TNW Corporation offers full-service car cleaning and storage in one convenient location at the TXGN Railway in Gonzales, Texas. Because we provide multiple rail services in one location, TNW eliminates the need to double shop and will save your company a significant amount of time and money. We're proud to be working with Strataflex International Group, a respected industry leader for railcar cleaning and maintenance services. Their cutting-edge technology, best industry practices, and a safety-first approach to their work makes them a solid partner for TNW. We have over 3,500 car spots available, with short or long-term storage options at the TXGN Railway to meet all your needs. If you're looking for a dependable one-stop shop to handle your clean to storage needs, contact TNW Corporation today for superior customer assistance and the highest quality rail services in America. Visit our website for more information and to contact us for cleaning reservations and quotes. TNWcorporation.com